Hello and welcome back. Now in one of the other videos we used this product called Belzona, which we used to repair the bottom bracket seal for this little outboard, and I promised you a fair test. So I'm going to mix some up, and I've properly prepared some plates, roughed them up and give them a bit of surface area increasement by these little dimples, and we're going to glue them together, let them set, and then see how much force we can put on these before they separate. We're going to hang weights on them, so I'll just put a little bit on the bit of hardener on there. New stick, a little bit of compound on there. Okay, and let's just mix that up now. Doesn't take much to mix. It's quite stiff, the hardening compound. You have to mix it quite well, but it does eventually soften up. We've got a good dollop of it there. The trick to this, and this is where it's really important to read the instructions, is the heat to cure it properly. So to cure it properly you need warmth, and that warmth needs to be between 50 and 70 degrees roughly. For the exact figure, look on our Patreon page. Okay, so that's all mixed up nicely now. So now we've got our clean bits of metal, which are properly prepared. So I'll put a bit on there, spread that on. Now the trick is to put a bit on both surfaces allegedly, so we'll do that. Now I can tell you've mixed it because the way you scraped it off the board is the same colour as what you've got in on your palette. And we don't want to squeeze this out from the middle. We need a little layer of it in between. So I'll put quite a lot on this. Okay, and I'll just pop them together like so. There we are. Just a bit of a squeeze there, just to make sure we've got it all the way through. And level it up there. Level it up there, and put a bit down the sides just to be on the safe side. Because I'm going to give this quite a test. I'm going to try 56 pound weight again. See if it'll do it. Hopefully it will. I think with a bit of proper preparation, because as with everything, preparation is the key. So we'll go and put this on by the fire now. Right, here we have made the bracket, glued that together. So we'll just screw that onto here now. Start with £30. Managed that all right. Now my man, will you put that on there for me? Just gently. Should go up the sides so we can drop them without There we are, £56 hanging off that one little strip. With my little assistant holding on to it, and just release it now. Just gently, and get your fingers out of the way quick. That's £96 hanging off that little £112. Release it slowly, Will. Slowly and gently, and get your hands out of the way. That's it. £112. Okay, you let it go very gently. Okay, that's two £56 weights and a £30 weight. £142 hanging off that one tiny strip of Belzona that's 25mm wide and 50mm long. That's absolutely bloody bonkers. Okay, this has got another £56 added. Okay, drop it slowly. Ooh, the whole table's going. Stand out the way, mate. Okay. But the thing is still holding. It's virtually pulling the legs off the table, but it's still not snapped. That's nearly £200. That's insane. Okay, hold it. Okay, right. I'm going to put this on my knee now. And we're just going to attach that to this and see if it takes the weight. I think the hook will fail before anything else goes wrong. But this is another £56 weight. Okay, ready? That is absolutely bonkers. Okay, that is £252, did I say? It's 4 times 56 plus 28. That was all hanging on that little strip of belzona there, which is about as long as my finger. So that's about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, 25mm wide. No welds on the back, look, nothing on the back, just the glue. And just goes to show that if you cure it properly, it doesn't break. It actually distorted the hook big time, bent the hook out, that's why we couldn't carry on anymore. But the previous attempt was just one that I left to air dry. I didn't cure that properly with heat, so it failed. But this is what happens. This is why the heat curing is so important. So there we go. £252 or whatever it was, hanging off that one piece of belzona.